What's up, y'all? This your boy Big Kappo Slime. Thank y'all for tuning in. I don't know if y'all heard or not, but we got a giveaway going on. Out of the first 100 subscribers, we're gonna give away these pair of Yeezys right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna give away these pair of Yeezys. But today, we finna go get a drone. So, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we finna go pick up this drone. But we need some better film for y'all. I love my YouTube subscribers. We with the curly boys.
Yes, sir. And the cannabis.
Hey, the curly boys said they finna do a snort contest. They're finna blindfold Andy right here. And we gonna see if he can tell us what he just snorted. We're gonna give him 3 items. And then he gonna have to tell us out of the 3 which ones it is. If he can get 2 out of 3 right, he win $50.
Let's go. Alright. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we in Best Buy. Looking for the drone. We're trying to get the best of the best for the best deal. What'd he say? They're gonna be. Oh, we got him over here. Yo, these drones are way more expensive than what I was thinking. Bro, these drones are super expensive. Super expensive. Ooh-wee. The bank account is finna take a hit.
So if you find your trees or like in a wooded area, which some people do, as far as that, but it doesn't show anything on here about like the returns in the future. It might be included, it might just not be in the description because it only gives us a set amount. 1078.
Non-negotiable.
Okay.
What up? It's okay.
Okay.
I'm just gonna cash out for it.
Is this it? Just this?
No, that's all it needs, right?
Yeah. No, I just didn't know if you were buying anything else.
Yeah, we don't need nothing else. It's too much.
Okay.
Right.
Could I ask on there if you want to do a donation?
Do you want to do a donation? You want to donate $1?
Give me 1 second.
2, 7, 8. Cash it out for you.
So 279.
Alright, 279 the rest of it. Alright, yeah, we getting the drone. Alright, y'all, so with the curly boys out here. This your boy Big Kappo Slime. We just copped the drone for the YouTube channel. We're gonna get y'all awesome visuals on the way. We just copped the Mavic Air 2 drone. Yes, sir. So we got awesome visuals on the way. Thank y'all. Stay tuning in though. We got the curly boys. We got a snort challenge going on. So make sure y'all stay tuned. cracking, y'all? What's cracking, y'all? What's cracking? This your boy Big Kappo Slime. Don't forget about the sneaker giveaway, so make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, y'all. We just caught the drone. So I'm finna do a little bit of unboxing for y'all. Show you what the drone looks like. For subscribing to my YouTube channel, though, too. All the supporters out there, all the support that I get, I really appreciate y'all. Y'all been staying down till I come up. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this is a Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. I'm pretty sure it's DJI, but I'm a little bit slow. Okay. Come with a case. Okay, we got a drone case. It better come with a case for $1,000. Okay, so extend the arms. Take the pictures off. Thank y'all for subscribing to the YouTube channel. This your boy Big Kappo Slime. Make sure y'all subscribe. We got a lot of heat going on. We got a sneaker giveaway. So make sure y'all tune in. Out of the first 100 subscribers, we're giving away a pair of Yeezys. So make sure y'all like and subscribe. We got drones. We got drip. We got a whole lot of heat. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's your boy Big Kappo Slime, y'all.
What the fuck?